Now today, on Adventures with Guam Boy, I'm Guam. Just happened to be camping, had my boat with me, so did a little bit of fishing at this tiny little lake. I mean, it should almost be a pond. Big enough for a kayak to do some trolling, but that's about it. We'll see what happens. Fish number one, Monument Lake. Number two, Monument Lake. Come on, guy. Number three, Manitou Lake. Manitou Lake, I believe that makes number four. Okay, well, I wasn't out there very long, caught 4 fish, but hey, you know another spot to go fishing you probably didn't know before. Hey, keep fishing Colorado. Pieces.